They're so good. Does it look like a ghost?
No.
Halloween carrot cake pumpkin muffins. Cupcakes. It's Halloween, man! Let's go all out! In my opinion, the best holiday of the year is arriving, is upon us. Halloween. It's gonna be weird this year because of social distancing. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but I wanted to do something on the channel anyway for it because it's the funnest celebration. Just the whole thing is such a fabulous tradition. I love carrot cake, so I'm gonna do carrot cake muffins, like cupcakes basically, with a cream cheese frosting that I'm gonna dye orange and make look like little pumpkins. And the recipe is coming from my good old classic silver palette. I got like piping bags. I've never used a piping bag. I've always just used like a Ziploc bag that I cut a hole into. Pretzel sticks to make like the pumpkin stem out of. I got this cool like black decorating gel that's edible obviously, that I might make like little pumpkin faces out of. And I've got pumpkin seeds. Like I'm gonna try a bunch of stuff out to see what looks the best. What's the difference between a cupcake and a muffin? I don't know. Icing. Okay, I didn't know that. Not a big fan of cupcakes either, gotta say, but this is a cupcake that I can f with, so suck it to me. Here we go. Et voila. So 3 cups of flour, 3 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So when you're sifting dry ingredients, especially if the bowl is really full, just cover like this, just in case, and then you don't get a big mess. 1 1/3 cups of, it says corn oil, but I like to use avocado oil because it's a bit healthier. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So 4 eggs lightly beaten. 1 cup of shelled chopped walnuts. 1 cup shredded coconut, 3/4 cups of pineapple, 1 1/3 cups of cooked and food processed carrots. I don't have an ice cream scoop, which I need to get soon because it makes stuff like this so much easier. So I'm just using a soup spoon and my good old silicone spatula. This isn't going as well as it should, and it's just like helping with some of the dripping. That was 3/4 of a stick of butter, unsalted, 8 ounces, 250 grams of Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, now I'm gonna put my icing on and make some pumpkin shapes. Again, I have no idea how this is gonna go, so. The end of a pretzel stick, and I'm just gonna like stick it in the middle and then take 2 little pumpkin seeds, bada bing, bada boom. I think this is actually gonna work. Like, it looks really cute. Can you see them? I think this is gonna be okay. I'm gonna have a taste. They're so good. The cream cheese frosting is like so tangy, and with the lemon juice in there, and the like cake itself is so good, the carrot cake. I went with the pumpkin seed and pretzel topping because it looks more rustic and like more natural. I'm so excited to like deliver these to my friends and my family because I just think they're so cute and they might become a tradition. Who knows? Should we try some of the cupcakes now? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. You want some more? That's a big bite. Woo. Should we get a sheet?